Hello my dear students, how are you all? So today we are going to study about the other modes of nutrition in plants in your first chapter, that is nutrition in plants. Let's continue the other mode of nutrition in plants. Okay, that is the other mode of nutrition in plants. Why I have written this other mode of nutrition in plants? Why don't I said all plants have the chlorophyll, they are green in the color and they are called as autotrophs. Why I have written this subtitle for you all. So whenever we are going to teach you, you have to think first. Why madam is going to teach the other mode of nutrition. I am going to highlight here other mode of nutrition, because do you observe our environment? All the plants are green in color. Can you see? All the leaves are green in color. Wherever you go? No. You have seen few plants, their leaves are red. Show plants and all. Okay. Red. They have the red. Lamina is the red in color. Okay. That different colors they possesses. They have. Okay. Why? There are some plants which do not have the chlorophyll. The plants which have a chlorophyll, they are in the green color with the photosynthesis processes. They are called as autotrophs. It means they will prepare their own food. What about others? They don't have a chlorophyll. Okay. Now, they cannot synthesize their own food. So, how do they survive and how do they get food? This is the question. This is what we are going to think. And definitely children, if I am there, answer will be ready. Yes? Yes, sure. Now, like humans and animals, such plants depend on the food produced by the other plants. Okay. Now, can you, me and tiger, lion, crow, other birds, peacock, can we prepare our own food? No, we cannot. We are dependent on plants and animal product. In the same way, the plants which doesn't have a chlorophyll, they are not in a green color. Few plants are not in green color and few plants are green in color, but they cannot have the chlorophyll in sufficient margin. So, what they are going to do? Definitely, as we do, they are going to follow us only. Even they are dependent on the animals and plants for their food. Okay. They use the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. How that mode of nutrition is called as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Hetero means dependent, heterotrophic. Okay, hetero means dependent. So they will use heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, you can see in your textbook the 1.5 figure. Okay. Now, with this, the yellow color tubular structure twinning around the stem and branches of a tree you have seen in your garden. We will call in Kannada बेली, no? वो फैलता है ना येलो कलर का, वो ट्विस्ट होता है, ट्यूब like wire like structure it will be have. They don't have any leaves and all. Okay, they're just tube like a structure and they'll spread. Okay, they will turn over. those are, is that a tree and all? No. This is a plant called Cascata plant. Remember how I pronounce. This plant is called as a Cascata plant. Okay. And the other name of this is Amarbel. Okay. Amarbel. It doesn't have a chlorophyll. It is yellow in color. This Cascata is dependent on the tree which it depends. It already climbed. Okay. From that tree, it will take the ready-made food. The plant on which it climbs is called as a host. The plant on which it climbs are called as a host body. It is called as a host body. Now, the present example. Let me explain this present example later. Now, since it depends and deprives our heat, host of the valuable nutrients, it is called as a parasite. Okay, it will absorb the host's nutrients, so it is called as a parasite. You have to remember two words here, host and parasite. Okay, now are we and the other animals also are parasites on the plants like these plants? Okay, now I am going to give you an example. The present pandemic situation, COVID-19. Okay, these viruses are entering in our lungs. So those are called as what? Host. Okay, and those are called as, parasite, because they are virus. They are entering in our body. They are dependent on our body. So these viruses are called as parasites. If they will not get our body, they cannot survive. And our body is called as host. Understood till here? Have you seen or heard about the plants which can eat animals, children? Yes. Just think. Plants started eating animals. What will happen? There are few plants which can trap the insects and digest them. Yes, it is true. Fact it is. Yes. So, is it not amazing for you? So, let's study about the plants which eat or trap the insects or trap the animals and digest within them. Let's study this in next video. Till then, take care, study science. Bye.